Welcome everyone to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm about to show you exactly what you have to do to add a black layout background black to a transparent image. In this instance, that's what I'm gonna show you with. So let's jump right into the video and make sure you subscribe for more CapCut tutorials. So I'm just gonna head over to library, and here you have a black background or layout. So just grab this and then drag it onto the timeline, and here now we have the background, but we don't have anything on top of it. And well, let's go to the local, grab our fish, and we have it here, but it's not black. It is, but you know, when you export a video, it's not the way we want. So let's grab this and drag it on top of the black background, and as you can see now, if it's white, you're gonna see white here. You'll see that is actually white if you drag a white background. Okay, let's extend now this. Let's extend the fish, and now as you can see, this is white, and here is black. Black, white, black, white. Okay, so it works without any problem. Make sure you drag your black or white background or layer under the video or image that you have, and that's pretty much what you have to do. Okay, so make sure you subscribe for more tutorials, and if you have any suggestions for the next CapCut tutorial, please let me know in the comments section. Thank you for watching and take care.